Díhuit agus fáilte arís. Hello and welcome again. Tá sé jas tú a eáil. It's nice to see you. In this video we're going to look at differences between north and south. So let's start with north. The Irish for north is huig. Huig. But it could be tuaisceart as well. Tuaisceart, depending on the context of the sentence. So for example, the north wind an ghuí a dúig. The north wind an ghuí a dúig. Northern Ireland, tuaisceart éireann. Tuaisceart éireann is Northern Ireland. North America, Merica huig. Merica huig is North America. And if you wanted to say she is from the north of Scotland, you could say is as tuaisceart na hAlban í. Is as tuaisceart na hAlban í. The Irish for Scotland is Alban. Alban. Now let's look at south. The Irish word for south is heas. Heas. But it could be deisceart, depending on the context. Deisceart. So let's look at the south coast. An costa heas. An costa heas. The south wind. An ghuí a neas. An ghuí a neas. The south wind. South Africa. Afric heas. Afric heas. South Africa. And South America, Merica heas. Merica heas. If you wanted to say it's further to the south, you could say tá sé níos fada ó heas. Tá sé níos fada ó heas. It's further to the south. So that's it for this Irish language video on the differences between north and south. If you would like to see more Irish language videos similar to this, please subscribe. And you will see some similar videos on screen now that you can check out if you wish. Gord Magat, thank you, agus tóg go bogé, and take it easy.